I want to thank you for joining me for this unboxing video, as my order from the Sparta Candle Company with all of their soaps has come, and I've purchased from them before in the past. Loved their products, some of the most beautiful bars of soap I have ever seen in my life. I'm shocked that the rest of the soap world is not following their lead, but more power to them. All right. Like a greedy child, I couldn't stop myself when the box got here, and I already tore it open. So I suppose I'm not doing the video correctly, but we'll go through it for your sake, just so you can see what I saw. Yeah, I just have no self-control when it comes to opening soaps. I'm just like, oh my God, I want to see these so badly. And I bought several from the Sparta Soap Company. Oh, one cool thing is they did send me a soap sample, and this is their Cranberry Frost. Smells like a candle, no lie. Really does, like a, I don't know, Bed Bath & Beyond candle. So I wonder how their candle sales are doing, because they're really known for their bar soaps, and I know they do sell candles as well. Here you get a little bit of a mailer from their company, which is cool. And then here it shows you who packed your product, and this was packed by Jen and Donnie. Thank you for packing my order. And then on the back, it tells you that the packing peanuts are biodegradable. That is so cool. That's neat. Oh, and the box, well, the box is made out of cardboard, so we don't have to worry about that. All right, anyways, let's get to it. This is from their Taylor Swift-inspired line, and this is called Reputation. I gotta tell you, this, as good as it looks on video, it looks even better in person. It really is something else. Like, this is stunning. It's hard to find words, adjectives, to describe how beautiful their bars are. Although this one, which I ordered, I got this slightly after Halloween, and I thought, ooh, I can just keep this on a shelf somewhere as a decoration. It looked better online. This one here, which is their Harvest Moon, just doesn't look as good once you're physically holding it. But still, I like that they at least made an attempt. I'm on board with the design idea. All right, how about... Ooh, yeah. Here's another one. This is from they have like a used section, not a used section, but they have a section, a clearance section on their website, and that's where I bought this. Now, it was after Halloween, and so this is certainly out of season, but I didn't care because it looked incredible, and I wanted to smell it, and I just wanted to try this. So I can't wait. Yeah, toasted pumpkin. Look at that. Right. Next one. This one I bought because it just looked beautiful on the website, reminded me of the sky, and I will at some point take all the plastic and everything off, and you will get to see the bars naked with me at a later date after I do my Instagram photos with these soaps. But yeah, beautiful, just a beautiful bar. Here's one that has just a interesting look to it, the Flower Child. This is why I bought it. It's very plain, it's simple, it's elegant, it's unique. Like, to my knowledge, there are no other soap companies out there that are even attempting anything like this. And it is, I mean, come on. Who would not want this as a gift? FYI, though, if you are going to order from the Sparta Candle Company, I would suggest ordering well in advance of whenever you want the products. You can't expect to order this and then have them show up a week later. I want to say I waited 2 to 3 weeks for my order, and I'd have to go back and check the dates, but I know they were back ordered. That's how popular they are. So if you want this for Christmas and the holidays, you should place your order now. So just don't sit on this. But here's another Taylor Swift inspired bar soap. This one's called Afterglow, and yeah, this looks really, really nice. So I cannot wait to get into the shower with these bars. This is what makes what I do exciting, like new innovative products like these bars of soaps. All right, thank you for joining me on this unboxing, and I will see you next time.